Hey, what is up guys? So for today's video, we're going to talk about how to make a state machine in a top-down 2D. Okay, so first we're going to create our player. So this player should be a character body 2D, then rename it in player. Then give it a sprite 2D. Then here's the sprite for the sample. Then let's transfer it for 0.3 now. So next is give it a collision. Okay, so maybe you go for the rectangle, circle, or anything you want. Then the next is in this player add a child node of a node. Then rename it to state machine. Then next in this state machine add a child node, right click, then add another node. Then you can control D for duplicate. Okay, so for now I'm going to duplicate it node 3, then rename it in idle state. Next is for walk state, and last is for attack state. So yeah, for now, uh, here we will create for our player folder. Okay, then in this player folder, let's create the script of a player here. For now, we should save it the scene of player in the player folder. Okay, so you can see this here. So in the player, add another folder for the state script or anything you want to name it. Then in this state script, right click, then add another script. Then let's create a state. This state is a script for all of this state. So instead of uh, every state you could here, so we just give it a sample for here, uh, like a reference. Then next in this state script, for now in the player script, okay, we should remove this one. Then let's go for a class name of player. Then in this player we can have, what do you think it is, a variable of speed, right? Then this variable of speed, we give it a float of 200. The next is we have create a ready function in this. Okay, wait, before we go into the ready function, go to the state machine and give it here the ready variable state machine. It's a node, right? Maybe a reference. Then in function we have a okay, what do we add here? Maybe the state machine is equal to get here the state machine reference here, right? So next is we create another function to switching the states. So switch state. So first we're going for the idle state. Okay, so it says function switch state not found in base itself, so we'll create a function of it, function of switch state. Okay, wait. Then we give it a new state name of a string. Then give it to the void. Okay. Then if current state um, current state dot exit, then we create a variable of new state here is equal to the state machine dot get node get node get node, then type a new state name. So here if new state is equal to state oh wait, I'm getting confused now. If state, then current state is equal to the new state, then current state dot enter this one is to call the enter method on the new state, and here is called exit method on the current state. So in this new state we ensure that the new state node exists. Okay, so else let's print it out. If also we can see it later. State not found, then new state name. So here we're going to put some function of physics process, then let's say it is move and slide. Okay, so why it is identifier, right? So we don't have the identifier for it, so I just a variable of current state should be node and is equal to null. Okay, so that's why. Okay, it's my bad. Okay, we have here, right? So we could say let's duplicate it for, let's say, the idle state. So in the idle state you have the function of a player, right? So let's say a player that velocity is equal to vector 2 dot 0. Then this state process, okay, it is the transition to walk if input is detected. So let's say if input that is action press, let's go for the project setting now, input map. So let's say we go for the right, left, up and down, and the attack. So in the right for key, then left key for A. Oh, what is oppo? Let's clear it. It's out. Okay, then the up W, down for S, and the attack, maybe you want everything you want here, you go to space, then close it. Okay, now we should find it for the left. Okay, then next, let's say this bracket for, so we could not stand here, then or input that is just is action press. Okay, I think I should make something not good for now. Okay, let's just do it again. This is not left, so should be right. Then copy and paste hit the input. Then let's say or here, right? Then this is going left. And now the end bracket. Then let's copy again the input. This is going to the up, or copy again the input. It should be down. Okay. Then after, right? So input, so expected the condition here. Okay. Okay, I think just okay, let's just put or again here. So that's why even the bracket for here. So if we don't do that, it should be going here, right? So we don't want that. So it should be, and it said is expected. So the bracket again, the cut again. So it should be when we cut it, in this part of it. Then let's say player state machine dot set state. So here we have the set state of a walk state. Okay, state machine walk state. Then elif input. Okay, you just go for the input again. The input action is attack. Okay, wait, what? Oh yeah. Elif input. Yep, attack. Then it should be. Let's copy it here. Player, it is not walk state, it should be attack state. Okay, and then this called when x is exiting the state. Okay, anyway, wait, what? Oh, right, we don't have the thing here. Okay, so you should the var current state now, right? The get parent. Anyway, let's reload it, or no? Okay, in this idle state, this is the state, right? And I made the idle state for it. So in this idle state, we put it here. Let's just duplicate it again, and we call it the walk state. This walk state, copy it here. Okay, so in the walk state, you have the function enter. Let's print it if it's entered the state. So in the state process, we could say the direction variable var direction is equal to vector 2 dot 0. Then if input is action press right, direction dot x plus is equal to 1. If input that is action press left, direction dot x minus is equal to 1. Then if input that is action press up, direction y minus is equal to 1. Then so on. Then that velocity is equal to the direction that normalize multiplied by the player speed. Okay? It should be here. It should be normalized by the player speed. Okay? So if direction is equal to vector 2 dot 0, player state machine that set state to idle state. Okay, let's remove it again. So here, drag and drop the idle state. So the same here in the player state machine that's set to attack state. Okay, then let's save it for now. Now let's create another script. So duplicate it. Let's say attack state. Okay, in this attack state. So here could say so we call the entering state again. Let's print it. If it's entered attack state, then velocity vector 2 0. Then let's call the state process. If not input action press attack, so the player state machine set to idle. So let's do it again to the idle. So let's save it. Wait, what's this? That's nothing. So if we hit play, it should be yep, this is the same speed as well. Okay, hope you like it and hit the like and subscribe button, so maybe we could extend another for this project. Anyway, good day and thank you.